genuine ostrich. Only 3 payments. Oh! I'm just goofing.
New boot goofing. Oh!
What's up guys, it's Jarrett from Cluster Duck Outdoors. Today I'm doing a boot unboxing. Company Trudave has reached out to me. I don't know if they saw the video of us coyote hunting where I slid down and was in my flip-flops and got my feet all muddy or what, felt bad for me, but they reached out, sent these boots out for us to try. So gonna unbox them, tell you a little bit about the boots, and see how they do. You've been watching the channel at any kind of time at all, you know I love my flip-flops. So they sent me these boots to try out. Let's get it open, see what they sent us.
What are those?
Obviously I had a knife in my pocket like every grown man should. If you're a grown man, you don't carry a knife in your pocket, you need to change your ways. Get right with the Lord. Packing paper. Sent us the receipt. These are the Trudave deck boots for men, men's waterproof, insulated, reliable rain boots, anti-slip, ankle rubber boots with high tract. So let's see what it's all about, see how they look, guys. One box, there's another box. So this is the box here, guys. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. These are the Trudave men's ankle deck boots. Easy put on and off. Breathable mesh liner, keeps your feet dry and warm. Built to be slip resistant and non-marking. Built to be 100% waterproof all the way around. And they're white. And yeah, cool. Waterproof, comfortable, durable, breathable. Let's see what they look like on the inside. Come with cool looking cloth. Sharp looking boots, guys. I had never actually seen these before. Sharp looking boots. Yeah, these are some sharp looking boots. Get you a little dose of them. Got a little white with some blue and some gray. Got these treaded up bottoms. Little insulation to the inside. Actually pretty excited about these because they're not the low ones. Got a little height on them because I've had some low ones in the past and water gets right in them as soon as you step in any kind of water. Let's see what we got here.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Alright, so I know the next big thing is how easy are they to put on. So one-handed, fairly easy. Come back here, you have this nice little strap. Just slides on, and if for whatever reason you need to pull the front or the back, you have these easy to pull straps. They were good. I was going to go out on the beaver dam and show you just how waterproof they were, but it's pollen season here in North Carolina. So that's a no-go. The pond looked disgusting. But this is really going to be these boots' home. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to go fishing on the boat this summer with these things and give the boat a couple of cleanups with the soap in the water underneath, test these non-slip grips out and just see how well they do. Because if you've been on a boat cleaning it, as soon as it gets wet, as soon as you put soap down, that's a wild ride sometimes, especially if you go barefoot like your boy. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully we'll be able to get a video out of that doing pretty soon. So now I'm going to do a little waterproof testing. Couldn't get to the pond because it's just covered with pollen right now. It looks gross. So I'm just going to go old school and use a hose and see what happens. Alright, we got a beautiful background, a golf cart and a boat. Now, the only way I can test it today, because the pond is so gross, is the old water hose action. Let's see. Going up on the sides where you got this little bit of stuff. I really didn't think that would be waterproof. Just to be honest, 100% thought it was going to leak through right there. But hey, here we are. Dry. Still dry. Still dry. Really kind of shocked with the sides. Really thought these side folds right here would just let water right through, but nah. Waterproof as day is long. As you guys can see, put your foot on that. Easy to take off. Easy to put on, you're good to go. All right, guys, last little bit of testing I can do is just right out the box is comfortable test. Now, your boy is weighing in at a hefty 255 pounds.
Big back.
And I will tell you within a second if a shoe's comfortable with me or not. And man, I'm not gonna lie to you, these aren't bad. I mean, they're still rubber boots, so it isn't like walking on some Air Maxes or anything. They're not bad. They're very comfortable shoes. I mean, normally my feet are hurting within about, I don't know, good 5 minutes of wearing a new pair of boots. You kind of have to break them in. These don't seem to have that issue. Make sure it wasn't a danger noodle. But yeah, these don't seem to have that issue. They seem just comfortable right out of the box, which is kind of surprising. Also, because it has the insulation in on it, I don't have to worry about blisters on my feet. So I'm just wearing some short socks and going with it. And because I'm not having to wear real tall high socks, I don't have to worry about my legs getting hot and sweaty. I can wear these with shorts. It's nice. And like I say, pretty dang comfortable, man. And they look sweet. Now, are there negatives to it? I'm sure there are. I mean, this, like in everything, there's negatives to everything you do. But so far, so good. Comfortable, fit my feet great. Look pretty sharp too, which I like white and blue right on. I plan to wear these all summer. Plan to see how they do boating, fishing, just out and about on the town. And end of summer, probably around August or so, I'll make a review of them just to see. April, May, June, July, August. That'd be 5 months of wearing them in. Let's see how durable they are, see how they hold up. They did offer a discount code, Quacker15, so gives you 15% off, and every 15% off, they get a percentage that will come to me, which is great and I appreciate. Helps the channel out. But I don't want you to think that I'm just telling you this about these boots just because they're paying me, because as of right now they haven't paid me anything. I got the boots, trying them out, and either way, at the end of the 5 months it is, whatever it is, and either way in August I'll tell you how I really feel about the boots, because I don't want you to think I'm just trying to sell you on something. Anyways, guys, go check them out, use the code, helps you out, helps the channel out. We appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, follow us on all the stuff, tell us what you're thinking, tell us what we need to do better, what we don't need to do better. All the stuff's appreciated. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you next time.